Seligamenxe ihora lesishagalolunye ekseni sawubona mlaleli lisaguqile icala elibhekene nomfundisi waseNigeria ngenxa yokuhoxa kukamehluleli kodwa uCheryl Zondi uthi yena NPA ayikasho lutho ngokubuyela kwakhe enkantolo kanti okwaba ungungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ufikile Mbalula uthi yayimfikisela ngosizi lento ezilamane zakwaGupta ngokucambukela eqokweni kwabanye becabinet ngwabeka lapha manqampunqampu kanti lezi kanye nezinye ngizobe ngiziphethe uma ngabe libumbani ihora leshumi.
It's your boy Stensik Major on Extension Point, live and beyond on the Major T Groove, 12 to 3. 12 to 3.
Hello, Mzansi. This is Zagesi Malinga. Itomgazi ndela singazi. Intomethe ngamehla njenganina on Extension Point, live and beyond, Mzansi.
Yo, what up? This is Nana the Freak, and you are listening to Extension Point, all the way from the Blackstone, man.
Put your hands together and receive Tasha Cobbs. Wait for experiencing? I'm experiencing nothing but
Yes, we're back on it again with your boy, Not It a Freak, with this show, Eti Vuga Uzipega, which means wake up and look at yourself. But way too, if you just tuned in, but you just missed a beautiful lineup of tracks. And if you just tuned in, but we just started the topic. So I urge you to follow up with it, Buffet too, because it's really an intriguing topic. About way too, we just had the sounds of Pretty Ugly saying Zero to Hero featuring Shane Eagle, and we got news from Muskananda. Thank you for that, brother. And afterward, we had the Tosha Cobbs with this gospel Buffet too. Just right now, like it just happened. Like now, I should have started with it. It just happened right now. Beautiful gospel Buffet too on a Saturday. Buffet. I'm telling you, music and gospeling and any other Buffet. It's cool. Hey, back on this topic of ours Buffet too. So far, I'm still waiting for my interviewer, my interviewee. What am I saying? I'm the interviewer. My interviewee, which is Emily Shows, the young, beautiful girl, around 9 to 10. Buffet is only tell her about her journey and everything. Buffet. So just please stay tuned. Buffet on TE Production page on YouTube, Podomatic app. Stay tuned, Buffet, to listen to this young, beautiful girl, Buffet, saying her life story and everything else. Ahamba nayo enhle ngayo Buffet. Based on our topic, Buffet. Based on our topic, Buffet. I wish Ngampela there was a way I can hear your thoughts. Yabolo, do what you think exactly with this topic, Buffet. Gifunde pant really down if you send it like out there so that I can hear, because it's really an interesting topic about way too, and it's really sad that you can't send it right now manje njengoba ngikhuluma nani yabo lonto le, and literally hear your thoughts ukuthi khamba kanjani yabo. So Bafethu, like I just said, in a way bad things happened in the past. It happened, and we got two types of people right now in this world. I think when it comes to black people, we got an angry black person, and we got us, which has no reason to be angry, just because the only thing we know is information and what we've been told. And not are we didn't really go through that. We need the angry big black people. That's gonna tell us everything what happened. So it's not a Swazi. It's okay. As we are a black culture, we started from there to here. So yeah, now to 40 in a way, in order to relate all the information. It's okay. And it was bad. The people were killed, a lot of people, and only one, because only one white person no afa. How many, bro? How many? I don't even know the number. What the magic? It evolves around the hundreds. Every day dying for what they believe in, for their freedom. Got a magic tina as abantu mina as the youth. I only know storing is Block TV and storing is jealous on, so I cannot say a lot about this. But coming back to my topic, in a way for to understand what I understand the life ngayo. I don't know, horrifying things in order to get what we're supposed to be. In a way, I believe that everything happens for a reason. Because I was imagining to an angel of some sort comes to you individually. It's if you can change anything in the past, what would you change? Anything, just one thing. We should just that thing, what would you change when as a person? Because personally, I wouldn't change nothing whatsoever. It's not that my life it's beautiful or it's it's all butterflies and fairies and I'm always happy and I'm doing well in life. No, it's not that. What I see where I'm at right now and where I'm going and where I'm from. You understand that going, and if I can change one of those things like we passed like from where I'm at, it's like I wouldn't be this person I am now. Like I wouldn't be this driven person who has what I want is so and so and so and so. Just because I've changed that thing in the past, that made me a horrifying situation, that made me to enlighten. That made me to be enlightened. I say I wanna be this person instead of this person. A life-changing decision. So if I change it, so that thing won't happen. So I literally wouldn't change anything, nothing whatsoever. But now the time is 9 o'clock. And oh my bad, the time is 43 past 9. My bad, I started with 9. It's 43 past 9, and the show I'm still waiting for this beautiful young girl to pitch up Will and Dozem for an interview. So please send us comments. It's bad that we're not live right now. Send us comments on the production page. We're gonna send the link on Podomatic. We're gonna send the link on from Will and Dozem from TE production page from YouTube, so you can watch the show. So you can watch the freak buffet. I'm gonna just shorten it and then go back to music. Let us listen to the sounds of Joyner Lucas saying sorry.
Go ahead and call me a coward, say that I'm not strong because I'm not like you. Go ahead and call me crazy because I live in a maze. Tell me, how about you? I think I live in my head. Sometimes I think that I'm dead. I hide behind my youth. No, I've been losing my mind and I'm a little behind. Step aside my shoes, cause I never been happy with myself. And I don't need no one feeling bad for me, trying to offer me pity and throw jabs at me. Wanna give me advice and then laugh at me behind closed doors. Just close the door and let me be by myself. Just me and myself. I'm tired of living, I cry. I hear it's easy to die, I wanna see for myself. And I know that sounds crazy to everyone else, but I'm depressed as fuck, stressed as fuck. Ain't no medicine that can cure what's intense as drugs I need extra love, and that ain't even enough. So that ain't even enough, and where the fuck is God? Damn, maybe I ain't believing enough, but today we gonna see if he's real. And if he is, then I guess I'm probably going to hell. Look, I ain't wanna die like this. I ain't picture my life like this. They don't know what it's like this. Pretending I'm happy so I can smile like this and laugh like you. Sometimes I wonder if I ever act like you. Could I finally fit in and maybe relax like, ooh? Or would you feel lost without me? Cause honestly, I think the world is better off without me and my mind spinning. This is the line finished. Truth is I don't care how they feel about my feelings. I made up my mind. I'm going out like Robin Williams. I guess I'm not the ordinary people of John Legend. And I've been suicidal since the day I was 9. Shit. Okay, the day I was 9, I've been tired of being bullied, couldn't stay out the fire. Grandma told me I should take it one day at a time, and damn it, look at me now. Fuck. Pen running out. Shit. Look, just know it's a new day, but if you're reading this, then it's probably too late. Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. I'm sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. Sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I hope you got what you wanted. I hope you finally happy. It's too late for you. Been going out of my mind. You don't know how many times that I done prayed for you. I hope you hear me, goddammit, cause I got so much shit that I wanna say to you. I used to shine, now I'm all in the dark. I remember I used to tell you to follow your heart, but goddammit, look at you now, it's all of your fault, how could you? Maybe it's my fault, I should've paid more attention to what you been doing. Maybe I should've been more of an influence. I can't believe that you're dead. I read your letter and all I could do is have mixed feelings about it. But I'll forever be attached to you. Damn. Part of me feels bad for you. A part of me feel like you weak and I'm mad at you. And I don't mean to be insensitive, but I don't understand how we couldn't prevent this shit. You took the easy way out. God damn it, you did. I mean, look what you did. I'm so fucking upset. How could you be so selfish? Nigga, how could you be so selfish? Now you're gone, you done left me so helpless. I wonder what God thinks. I hope you in God's place behaving yourself. Yo, what the fuck you gotta say for yourself? Look, I really feel lost without you. I hate the fact you think the world is better off without you. And my mind's spinning, this is the line finish. Truth is I don't care how you feel about my feelings. And I'd be lying to you if I told you I'm fine. Listen, I know that you can hear me, all I need is like 5 minutes. I just wanna reach inside the casket and pull you out. I'm sorry, this is something that we both couldn't figure out. I wish I could hear you now. Is your soul missing? I wonder if you could do it again, would you do it different? Tell me what death is like. Was it meant for you, Brody? Did the heavens support it? Are you fucking happy now? Did you get what you wanted? Isn't this what you wanted? I feel the temperature falling and you've been suicidal back then, you were not. Yeah, even back then you was not. We was living on the edge, couldn't stay out the fire. Grandma told us we should take it one day at a time, and damn it, look at you now. Shit. But it's a new day, and if you can't hear me, then it's probably too late. Fuck!
Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. I'm sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. Sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. I'm sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. Just make sure you tell my family it's okay. I'm sorry, but it's too late. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me. I don't wanna live to see another day. I'm sorry, but I can't stay. I'm sorry, so much waiting on me.
I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Give me that. Don't play me. Yeah, I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Ushaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abojeli. Ayisasipani ngondo ngatbaklisi kemi fukezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You keep biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, yeah, on some fake shit, yeah. You fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit, yeah. Louis, Gucci, Sachi, no fugazi. I know why you hate, bitch, you lazy. Everything is good, we parlay. At the top is where I'm stationed. I know what it is, you just lazy. Where my money, come and pay me. Put the work and get the paper. And this could gon' elevate you. Ain't no time for no hater. Ain't nobody got time for that. The money calling, see you later. I was good, now I'm greater. Lord is my savior. I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Ushaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abojeli. Ayisasipani ngondo ngatbaklisi kemi fukezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, on some fake shit. Yeah, you fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit. You fugazi. This bitch think I'm a chaser. It ain't a thing till you raise it. ET back and I replace it. Moving like a boss, I'm going major. What you sipping, that's fugazi. Oh, you tripping, that's fugazi. Say you different, not fugazi. Life you living is fugazi. Fuck you, pay me, now don't play me. And the pussy and niggas tend to disrespect me lately. That's cockma, that's alright. Put in the work like all night. Say you ballin', that's all lies. Till I pull up in F45. I've been struggling all my life until I got a lick, I'm reader. Roof gone, juice glow, I know they can see us, yeah. I'm only showing up if you gon' pay me. Where my money at? Usaluka lanjalo cause you lazy. Ubenzela yonke into abochedi. Asaspani ngondo ngatbakisi kemi fugezi. Spending money on them hoes, yeah. 1 second, what are those now? You keep biting on my flows now. All that shit you do is so far. You fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, on some fake shit. Hold up, you fugazi, on some fake shit. You fugazi, hold up, on some fake shit. You fugazi.
Your online radio, the new online radio that makes you happy.
Hey, what up? This is Naughty the Freak, and you are listening to
Extension Point.
all the way from the Black.
Sanibonani, you're listening to Uzinhle wakwaMbhele, uhlelweni lami oluthi vuka uzibheke. Vuka uzibheke. On your favorite radio station, Extension Point FM, live and beyond. Mzansi.
Yes, we're back on it again. Right up and now the time is 5:10. But it's a Sambili's card, and my girl that is supposed to be here, I got figna mind, and I'm very worried right now. We had the sounds of MT saying fugazi. Yes, fugazi. And after that, before that, we had the sounds of Joyner Lucas saying sorry. It was a beautiful track, but I actually really like that track of Joyner Lucas saying sorry. It's a beautiful track. That guy speaks about a story. Njengoba sisona nje achazela kubekela phansi, and you literally see it ngale ndlela ayibona ngayo yabona nto. For those people nje abangalaleli hip hop, when they literally Joyner Lucas literally tells the story out of his music, just like Porterville. If you know Porterville, you'll know what I'm talking about. Porterville right now, but yonke into ayibekela phansi yabona. That guy is literally dope bawethu. Go-o'clock simthola uSgananda la with the indaba sizigcwele bawethu. If you do remember, go to an Extension Point FM, live and beyond Mzansi bafethu. T Production page, follow us there. Tell us friends, tell us family, go to T Production is here with Extension Point bafethu. Podomatic app bawethu. Download that thing. I'm gonna keep on saying it again and again until you know it. Download that thing and search Extension Point Buffet. You get each and everything of the show of ours. It's every insipidity of the show of ours. And you go to YouTube, right Extension Point FM. You're gonna get everything lapho futhi T production page obviously, and our Twitter. I think we do have Twitter. Yes, our Twitter page. You're gonna get everything. Comment on our topics of it. Ngisho sesizidlulile isikhathi kodwa comment, because on the next show we might read your comments and actually hear your point of view of what we talk about lana bafethu. Right about now the time is actually close ukuthi kuze khona ikuzodlala indaba and all that, and I'm worried about this person that is supposed to be here azoqala interview wakhe ngo-10 cause isikhathi sami sokuthi ngishiye mina ngihambe, it's actually 10:30 yabo lonto leyo. So bengafika we're gonna have to carry on with the music and with me talking about this topic of ours. I'm still gonna continue the topic, but before I go to that, I figure let us listen to the sounds of Jaden Smith. The track is called Be Pellet. It's nothing else.
Thy hair inspired guide to make the breeze. Thy lips inspired guide to make a man. And from his rib an angel born as Eve formed into flesh and promised him her hand. Why do I cry at night? Still can't sleep without the night. Stressed out because we fight. Will we ever get this right? 'Cause thy hair inspired guide to make the breeze. Thy lips inspired guide to make a man. And from his rib an angel born as Eve formed into flesh and promised him her hand. So lay me down in Eden under stars and show me why it's us that he would choose. If had be, I would die here in your arms. Don't cry because the ocean makes me blue. So blue, so blue, so blue, so
I'm sick of kissing up. I used to miss us taking pics and kissing. Now you miss the club. I'll pull my zipper up. Start to think, wait, is this it for us? Nah, 'cause I fell for you. See, I'm the living Icarus. Relationships, I'm looking around and girl, what happened to me? They hate on me now, but soon I'll be winning them plaque after plaque, you will see. They mad at my accuracy, but my swaggy flow can't even rap to the beat. Better pass it to the chief. World is tragic in the seas. Cops selling crack in the street, but you look like the law.